Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the third question of day 10. The question is to find the weight of a string. Here we have to write a function that will take a string as an input and calculates the weight of the string as per rules mentioned below. The first rule is weight of all alphabetic characters that appear in the string should be added, and the another is weight of vowels that appear in the string should be either be ignored or added depending upon a specific option. And the next rule is all non-alphabetic characters in the string should be ignored, and weight of each letter is its position in the English alphabet system. That is weight of A equal to 1, weight of B equal to 2, and so on. And here given that weight of uppercase and lowercase letters should be taken as the same. There are some examples are given. The first example is hello world, and here we can see that in first example vowels are ignored. That's why we will get the output 89. And the another example is let's take an input hello world, and here we can see that weight of the vowels is included. That's why we will get the output 124. After that, some points are given. The function will accept two input parameters, that is input 1 and input 2, where input 1 represents the string whose weight needs to be calculated, and the input 2 represents the option specifying whether or not the weight of vowels should be included. Here, if input 2 is 0, vowels that appear in the string should be ignored, and if input 2 is 1, weight of vowels that appear in the string should also be added. Here example is if we will take input 1 equal to hello world and we will give the option 0. Here we can see that if input 2 is 0, vowels should be ignored. That's why we will get the output as 89. And if we will take same input and we will give the option 1, then we will get the output 124, because here vowels means weight of the vowels are included. We will solve this question in Dev C++. Before solving this, I request you to subscribe our channel for more these type of videos. Let's start. Now press Ctrl N for new tab. At first we will write the program. After that we will understand the code. Now at first we will include some header files, which is #include stdio.h, and the another is #include string.h. After that we will define the function. Let's take the name weight of string, and we will pass two formal argument as an input. One is of a pointer variable of character type and another is integer input. So char star input 1 and int input 2. After that we will initialize some variables to 0, which is weight equal to 0 and I equal to 0. After that we will take a pointer variable of character type, so char star a. After that we will store the input 1 into a. Now we will define another variable, let's say letter. After that we will take for loop for I equal to 0, I is less than strlen string length of a and I plus plus. Now letter equal to a of I. After that we will take the condition if input 2 equal to 0 and if letter equal to means all the vowels. Let's start with a, or let's copy this so it will save the time and paste it 9 more times, because there are 5 vowels in English alphabet, and that's why in lowercase 5 and in uppercase 5, so total is 10. That's why we have to copy 9 more times. So Ctrl V, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and here remove this and change the letter E I O U, and here in uppercase A E, I, O and U. After that we will write here continue. Now we will again write the if condition if letter is greater than equal to 65 and letter is less than equal to 90. Here we have taken the ASCII value of each letter. Now here we will write the operation weight plus equal to letter minus 64. It will return the position of each alphabet. After that, else if letter is greater than equal to 97 and letter is less than equal to 122, it is for lowercase letter, and so we will write the operation weight plus equal to letter minus 96. It will return the position of lowercase letter. Now here we will return the weight. After that we will write main function int main, and here we will take character array of size 100. After that we will define some variables number and x. Now we will take the string from user, so enter the string. Now we will read it from keyboard gets str. After that we will take the option from user, enter the number in the form of 0 or 1. Now we will read it from keyboard, so here %d ampersand num. Now here we will call the function x equal to, here our function name is weight of string, so here we have to write same as weight of string, and here we will pass the actual argument, that is str and num. After that we will print the value of x, so here %d comma x. Now we will return 0 and at last get cs to hold the string. Output console. Now by pressing Ctrl S we will save the program, and let's give the name weight of string .c, and here we will select all files. Let's save. Now we will execute the program and compile and run. Let's give the hello world and give the option 0. Here we know that when we will give the option 0, the vowels should be ignored, so it will return 89, which is given in the question. So let's check. Here we can see that it returns 89. Let's check for another input. Let's give the input hello world again, and this time we will write the option 1. Here when we will take the option 1, it will also include the vowels, means weight of vowels, so it will return 124, which is given in the question. So let's check. Press enter. Here we can see that it returns 124, so it's correct. Now let's check for another input which is given in the question. Let's enter the string all zebras are black and white. If we will give the option 0, it will ignore the weight of a special character and weight of vowels. So here in the question the output is given 186. So let's check. Here we can see that it returns 186. So our program is right. Please do like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more this type of videos. Thanks for watching.